Building your home is a rewarding experience, but safety must always come first. Do it yourself or DIY construction without proper safety measures leads to thousands of injuries every year worldwide. According to the International Labour Organization, construction work is one of the most hazardous industries. In Tashkent, local regulations also emphasize strict safety standards, especially considering our seismic risks. By following both ILO principles and local rules, we protect ourselves, our families, and our future. Safety is more than individual responsibility. It's a fundamental right of all workers. Every worker has a right to a safe environment, fair treatment, and protection against hazardous conditions. The International Labour Organization, ILO, is a specialized agency of the United Nations, established in 1919 with a mission to promote social justice and set international labor standards. The ILO works to ensure decent working conditions, uphold fundamental workers' rights, and enhance occupational safety and health worldwide. With 187 member states, including Uzbekistan, the ILO plays a key role in shaping workplace regulations that safeguard workers from exploitations, hazardous environments, and unfair treatment. By aligning with ILO guidelines, we contribute to a safer and fairer construction industry. Before any work begins, equip yourself properly. The International Labour Organization ILO highlights personal protective equipment as a first line of defense. In Tashkent, helmets are essential to protect from falling debris. Gloves safeguard your hands from sharp tools and rough materials. Goggles shield your eyes from dust and flying particles. Remember, personal protective equipment is not optional. It's a basic life-saving requirement that reduces the risk of injury on every side. In addition, workers must have the right to refuse unsafe work without punishment. No one should be forced to continue tasks that put their health and safety at risk. A safe construction site starts with a solid plan. Local safety standards require clear pathways, organized materials, and stable structures. Tashkent's unique geography also demands consideration of seismic activity. Ensure all structures meet earthquake-resistant guidelines. Emergency exits and first aid supplies must always be accessible. Preparation reduces chaos, prevents accidents, and protects everyone involved in the build. Regular risk assessments must be conducted to identify potential hazards before they cause harm. Employers should provide proper training programs to educate workers on site-specific risks and emergency procedures. Falls remain the most common cause of serious injuries on construction sites, including small DIY projects. Use stable ladders, secure scaffolding, and never work at height without safety precautions. Power tools must be operated according to manufacturer instructions, with regular maintenance to avoid malfunctions. In Tashkent, earthquake preparedness is also critical. Regularly inspect structures to ensure they remain secure and balanced. Stay aware of your surroundings and fix hazards immediately. Beyond physical hazards, construction sites must also be free from exploitative practices such as forced labor and child labor. The ILO promotes fundamental rights, including the elimination of workplace discrimination and the right to fair working conditions. No worker should be subjected to harassment, unfair wages, or excessive overtime. DIY construction is about creating a safe and lasting home, but that begins with protecting yourself. Safety is not just about avoiding accidents today, it's about building a healthy future. By respecting local laws and following ILO safety guidelines, you ensure that every project ends with success, not injury. Employers have a responsibility to provide fair wages, insurance, and safe working conditions. Governments must enforce labor laws and uphold ILO conventions to protect workers' rights. Together, we can create a safer and more just industry. Be vigilant, be prepared, work safe every single day.